How to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the application in your device and then go to the airdrop option at the bottom right corner. As you can see, I have no option of withdrawing my money here because I have not played this game for enough time. As you can see, my level 1 has not even been completed. So once you play this application for enough time, you will be able to see the option of withdrawing your money. But sometimes the option might not even be showing because your wallet is not connected in this application. So connect your wallet and then try withdrawing your money. So that's it. That is how easily you can withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.